Hey guys, Blind here with another video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to change your background in Windows 7, Windows 7 XP, Windows Vista, Windows 8, Windows 10, all of them, Windows basically. It works the same concept. First of all, you need to right click on your desktop, just right click. You'll see this like menu pops up, and then select personalize. Left click that, the settings bar, the settings window will open, and then you'll find yourself here in the background page. Over here you can select it to be a picture, solid color, which is just one color, or slideshow with like multiple photos. I prefer picture, so I select picture. You can choose your photo, like here. You're not limited to these. You can browse and then find the one that you want in all of your PC. Like just navigate your way. So for example, I just want to put this marshmallow pic here. You just click at and you're done. That's all. You're just here. That's all. It's just so simple. As a bonus, there's another nice thing called themes. In themes you can like change your. Wait, is it themes? Oh, colors, my bad guys. I select mine to be like dark gray, because somehow looks cool, like, so your theme, your laptop's theme, like everything. The theme, so, yep, you can select, oh, mine's Storm, my laptop calls it, you can select it to be like orange and stuff. But I selected this the Storm theme because it looked cool, because this used to be my old wallpaper and it used to match the color and dark theme. And anyways, it's better for your eyes, but whatever. So yep, that's it. Hope you guys liked the video, and see you next time. Bye bye.
Feel my own adrenaline, yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.